Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Sunday Bermuda. This is part 3 of the aeration project I just did on my front yard. You can see still has deep holes. I just put down a layer of HumiChar that actually got down into these holes, and I'm going to kind of stack that with some soil conditioner. It's basically a granulated humic soil amendment. I'll show you right here. It's from LiveEarth products. Let me lay this down here so we can get a better look at it. It's a 50-pound bag. It's for use on all turf, ornamentals, and crops. It's got 3 registrations. One's from the CDFA, Organic Input Material. One here from the Washington State Department of Agriculture, and it's OMRI Listed. So this is an organic material, and it comes from the state of Utah, OMRI, Utah. Let's turn this bag over. See what we have here. All right, it is derived from humic shale. It contains non-plant food ingredient. It is 45% humic acid derived from humic shale ore. Guaranteed analysis has sulfur. It's got 1.5% of sulfur, and iron 1.5%. And what they recommend applying 25 to 150 pounds per square feet, or per 1,000 square feet, my bad. Water in after application. So still hoping to get a little rain. If not, I will put the sprinklers out. Let's see. Here we go. They actually do give you 2 different ones, a 7 pounds per 1,000 square feet, and then a 12.5 pounds per square feet. Let's see. It's probably the Impro spreader here. Similar. Sometimes it's similar to Let's Go. I usually have to check my chart. Let me go grab it, but it says 16 here for 7 pounds. I got 3. Let's see, we'll round up to 4,000 square feet. So for this, I could put out probably half a bag, which would be about 28 pounds per 4,000 square feet is what that would come to. So we'll go ahead and put half a bag, and I may follow up in a week or two, finish the other bag out. Let me go get my rate sheet and see. Okay, grab my rate sheet, and what was this, 7 pounds per 1,000 square feet. That would equate to, on my rate sheet that came with the spreader, between 17 and 18. And yeah, it's pretty close, 16. So we'll probably put it on, let's just shoot for 18. I'll put half this bag in there. It should cover this front yard fairly quickly. It doesn't take long with this big old spreader. I think it covers pretty much 8 feet on this side and 8 feet on this side. So it can really throw down some product. So let's get started. Open this bag up and see what it looks like. As expected, you see some dark powdery substance. I don't mind touching this with my bare hands since it is organic. It looks pretty powdery, pretty hard too. But it looks really rich and dark brown. That's what you'd like to see, especially in the yard. So I'm going to pour some in here, about half a bag. There we go. We'll go ahead and put our baffle down. We'll do a quick circle around the yard, push this in. The reason why we push this in, because we won't, with this baffle down, what would happen if we didn't push this in, we would basically get double the concentration around the perimeter. And by pushing this in, it keeps it consistent around the front and the section that shoots out this side. All right, guys, that went down really thick. You see how wide the holes are on here? So I went down really thick. We'll walk around, see if we can find some places where it actually went down. Let's see. It's kind of hard to see in this grass. It got roughed up from the aerator and the scarifier I used earlier today. So I may, after I water it in good, come back with maybe the rotary mower and kind of cut down these stolons that got pulled up from the scarifier. As it cleaned up, did a magnificent job cleaning up. We'll walk out here. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can see the black pieces in there. And you can see it's mixed in with the HumiChar. There's some down in that hole there. Oh yeah, there's little pieces fell in. It's all around. There's a big piece you can see right there. We'll drop it down in that hole. There's some more big pieces. There's all kind of pieces there. Let's go out here. I know you can see it on this dead spot out here. It's kind of hard to pick out in the screen. So there you go. Maybe you can see how well it covered. So just imagine that, all over the entire yard. There's some. It's just all over the place. Some of it's pretty big. That's a pretty big piece right there. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Just a different product. I've never seen this product before. I found it at a local Yearings irrigation as well. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you don't mind. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think about the product and about my process here. Was doing the whole, I guess this is the final run, before it rains, getting the HumiChar and the humic acid, down into the holes and all over the yard. So just let me know what you think in the comments. And there it is, product again. This is by LiveEarth. I know there's a lot of YouTubers from Utah out there, so maybe you guys are familiar with this product or possibly use it. Right now it's time to clean up the old spreader,